Hello, today we are cooking turmeric cabbage with pancetta, a budget-friendly healthy recipe. Roast pumpkin and sunflower seeds. They are the nutritional powerhouses, loaded with healthy fats, high-quality protein, and essential amino acids. Sunflower seeds are great too, packed with minerals like magnesium and zinc, plus vitamin E and selenium. Both types of seeds can help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. We add them in lots of salads, dishes like the one we're making now, and bake our muesli with it. Now we're going to thinly cut the onion and the cabbage. First, we're gonna give it a little makeover by taking out a couple of leaves from the outer layer. So take a good look at the size of the cabbage I'm using, and this is going to be this half for 3 people. If you're cooking for 1 person or 2 people, adjust amount of cabbage you are using accordingly. By the way, cabbage is great. It's low in calories but packed with vitamins C and K, plus important minerals like potassium and magnesium. It does more of the lowering of blood pressure and cholesterol, aids digestion with its fiber, and boosts your immune system. It is also rich in antioxidants, and what does it do? It can protect against certain cancers and inflammation. Pancetta is a type of cured meat made from pork belly. It's delicious and cheap source of protein. It provides important vitamins like thiamine and B-complex vitamins, as well as minerals such as iron, zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help prevent anemia and support overall health. Just don't go overboard with the amount you eat. Like many other foods in large amounts, the side effects will outweigh the benefits. And I'm saying it because I know very well how easy it is to fall in love with pork belly. And let's dice some garlic, the benefits of which we all know, and the taste would not change for anything else. Add olive oil to a preheated skillet, and we begin by frying pancetta, including the big skin pieces, because we want to melt the fat from it. We're going to be using for frying vegetables, so the more the better. We have zero waste policy, especially for animal products, so we are using it all. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the skin to have a delicious snack. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now, not to miss any of our healthy, delicious recipes in the future. And when pancetta begins to look very golden and smells great, take it out, and in goes the garlic, then onions. This keto recipe has a lot of elements to be qualified as a healthy recipe. We aim to make several such meals a week, not getting too fanatical about all keto diet. Also, we would cook vegetarian recipes, fish and meat to have a balanced diet. Time to add some cabbage. You may need to gradually add the cabbage because there is quite a lot of it, but it reduces in size as it cooks, so you may add little by little to it. Stir it And as it cooks, you can add a little more. And then you repeat the whole procedure again until all the cabbage is in. We are adding apple cider vinegar for acidity, for sweetness we add honey, making sure that we're utilizing all of it, nothing left on the spoon. And of course, adding salt, chili flakes, black pepper, and turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to curcumin, it is primary bioactive substance. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. Consuming turmeric with black pepper can significantly increase curcumin absorption due to piperine, a natural enhancer found in black pepper. Additionally, spices like turmeric and black pepper may also work by altering the gut microbiome, providing health benefits beyond just absorption. Combining these spices can maximize their therapeutic effects. And combining cabbage with pancetta will maximize the effect on your taste buds. But why stop there? Add roasted seeds that we have prepared in the beginning, and let's see how that enhances the flavor and texture. Let us know what you think about our healthy, delicious, cheap thrills recipe creation. Subscribe now not to miss our delicious and healthy recipes.